Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're doing something a little bit different. I am going to be painting some countertops. So this is actually a really big kitchen, and my dad and I built these countertops from scratch from MDF. So over here, these are attached. We attached them because it's a really big piece and we had to seam over here all around the sink. So we actually pre-attached those. And then there are two smaller counter sections here, which we'll paint and then we'll attach later. And there's my dad. So this is very exciting. We built these out of MDF, 3/4 inch MDF. We put a lip under there. We did a red guard waterproofing all underneath around the sink and also near the dishwasher here. And then we coated it with Coat Countertops white undercoat. And now we get to do the fun part, the artistic countertops. So here we go. All right, so here is the color coat. So this is the first coat of epoxy. We still have to put the clear coat over it, but look how awesome this looks. It's a little hard to see in the camera, but it's not just white. There's actually a lot of depth in there. We used white dye plus white mica powder plus diamond dust. And then there are these accents throughout. So I think this is just gorgeous. These are the two pieces obviously that are already installed. And then these are the two pieces that are not yet installed. So everything will get a final clear coat. And then these two pieces will be installed, and that will be it. All right, you guys, so this project is done. I think it looks amazing. We came back today and sanded the drips on the bottom. The sink is not quite ready yet, but that's okay. Took off all the plastic and reattached these two countertops over here. So the backsplash still needs to go up. My friend is going to be doing tile, which will look amazing. So at some point I'll have a final photo for you guys. But for now, look how awesome this looks. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the Coat Countertops website and products. They are amazing. And I will see you all next time.